Question number 1. Which is the oldest game in India? Correct answer is option A, wrestling. Question number 2. Ramayana is the national book of which country? Correct answer is option D, Thailand. Question number 3. In which country does the sun rise at midnight? Correct answer is option C, Norway. Question number 4. What was the official language of the Gupta rulers? Correct answer is option D, Sanskrit. Question number 5. Where is the Jagannath temple located? Correct answer is option A, Odisha. Question number 6. Which planet is closest to Earth? Correct answer is option D, Venus. Question number 7. How many times has currency been banned in India? Correct answer is option C, 3 times. Question number 8. WhatsApp is a company of which country? Correct answer is option D, America. Question number 9. The height of a normal adult human being weight about? Correct answer is option C, 300 grams. Question number 10. What is the average adult pulse rate? Correct answer is option D, 72 to 80. Question number 11. The cow's milk contains how much amount of water in terms of percentage? Correct answer is option C, 80%. Question number 12. Instrument to detect the purity of milk is? Correct answer is option C, lactometer. Question number 13. Radioactivity was first discovered by? Correct answer is option D, Marie Curie. Question number 14. Which gas is commonly used in balloons and airships? Correct answer is option C, hydrogen. Question number 15. Which gas is used in the production of soft drinks? Correct answer is option D, carbon dioxide. Question number 16. In blood, the percentage of plasma is? Correct answer is option A, 55%. Question number 17. The percentage of nitrogen in air is? Correct answer is option C, 78%. Question number 18. Air contains what volume of carbon dioxide? Correct answer is option A, 0.03%. Question number 19. For water purification we use? Correct answer is option A, chlorine. Question number 20. The human blood is divided into? Correct answer is option C, 4 groups. Question number 21. A man can survive without food for? Correct answer is option C, 1 month. Question number 22. The muscles, tissues and blood all are made up of? Correct answer is option A, proteins. Question number 23. The worship of which deity is related to the Indus Valley civilization? Correct answer is option C, Mother Goddess. Question number 24. From which Harappan site was the statue of a dancing girl obtained? Correct answer is option A, Mohenjo-daro. Question number 25. What is the SI unit of torque? Correct answer is option B, Newton meter. Question number 26. Which country is known as the land of rivers? Correct answer is option A, Bangladesh. Question number 27. Who discovered DNA? Correct answer is option D, Friedrich Nietzsche. Question number 28. What does a phytometer measure? Correct answer is option D, depth of the ocean. Question number 29. What does a flux meter measure? Correct answer is option D, magnetic flux. Question number 30. What does a galvanometer measure? Correct answer is option C, electric current. Question number 31. What does a hydrometer measure? Correct answer is option D, relative density of liquids. Question number 32. What does a hygrometer measure? Correct answer is option D, level of humidity. Question number 33. What does a hydrophone measure? Correct answer is option D, sound underwater. Question number 34. What does a hygroscope show? Correct answer is option A, changes in atmospheric humidity. Question number 35. What does a hypsometer determine? Correct answer is option D, boiling point of liquids. Question number 36. What does a wave meter measure? Correct answer is option C, wavelength of a radio wave. Question number 37. What does a watt meter measure? Correct answer is option A, power of electric current. Question number 38. What does a voltmeter measure? Correct answer is option D, electric power potential difference between 2 points. Question number 39. What does a viscometer measure? Correct answer is option C, viscosity of liquids. Question number 40. What does a vernier measure? Correct answer is option D, small subdivision of scale.